Hello, welcome back to my channel, African Cultural Heritage, History and Entertainment channel. Today we'll be preparing something very special. Not really special, but something very simple. I call it the lazy breakfast. These are our ingredients. We're going to be using egg, tomatoes, little garlic. The garlic, we're going to grate the garlic into this place. And we're going to boil our eggs. The egg, while boiling the egg, we're going to put little salt. We're going to put little salt in the eggs in the kettle so it could boil. The reason for doing that is to let the egg have good taste in it. Then here we'll be using the bread. I am not advertising for any company. We're going to be using mayonnaise and ketchup. We will be mixing these two together to have a mixture in here. So the mixture of this with the garlic is optional, but garlic is good for it's good for the health. So mixing this, we're going to grate it here into this place, then mix these two together, to have what we're gonna get. So sit back and watch us do this. Now I have finished. I've boiled the eggs and I use the egg slicer to cut it into this way. See where I cut it? Then the tomatoes, I've cut the tomatoes with the knife. I remove the seeds from the tomatoes. You can see it. Remove the seeds. Then for this is the mixture of the mayonnaise and the ketchup plus the garlic that I grated inside here. So this is what the mixture is like. So now I want to start putting it. Start preparing it now. Watch and see. So see, pressing this here. See, bringing it here, rubbing it here also, rubbing it here also. Then I take some tomatoes. I put here. Take another tomato. Put here. And I put here. Then take some eggs. Put it here. And put here. Remember, while boiling the eggs, I salted the water that I used in boiling the eggs. So then cover it. Then bring it here. Bring it here. Here. Then I'm gonna cut here. Now I cut the edges. These are the remaining times. Then I cut here. This is what we have. And here, then it's ready. Very simple. Very, very simple. Very simple. So it looks like. So that's all. Very simple breakfast. You don't need much. Just your eggs, boiled eggs, your tomatoes, your mayonnaise and ketchup mixed here with little garlic. Garlic is optional. Then this is all you have. finished. If you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.